In this video, we'll insert the Pear Cam into our box assembly and get it to act as it should. So let's go to Insert, come down here to Pear, and we'll put it in here. And once again, we'll rotate it so that it's oriented in a way that it is going to be oriented in the assembly. Looks awful big again, so I think right off the bat what I'm going to do is right-click, change configuration, and take the nominal diameter down to 1.5. Let's see if that might be a little more appropriate. Okay, so there we go. So let's put a fasten mate once again over here on the axle right in the center. And in here we will do the same as we did before right there. And why didn't that? Let's try that again. Fasten mate right there and also right there. And we want to have an offset this time of another inch, so 2 1/8, so 2.125. And that's right, so it's right underneath it. And so let's get this one to perform the same way as the eccentric cam. So we're going to use the tangent mate. So we'll come over here to the shoe. We'll go there and let's try the edge. Well, it doesn't look like the edge goes all the way around. So let's try the face. Let's try that. Okay. And now let's go back. Let's rename that fasten mate to Pear. And let's go to the axle. And we'll animate it. So let's see how this one looks. Doesn't quite work. So we need to do some tweaking on that. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to delete the tangent mate. And I'm going to try that again. And this time I'm going to go to the bottom and I am going to go to an edge. And we'll see how that works. And so once again I'll go to the axle and animate. Okay, so for this one as well, you need to click the edge of the cam, and that's kind of working just as we hoped it would work. So that is the snail cam. We'll pick it up next time. Thanks for watching.